Hello everyone, I'm Yordan Stefanov from BudgetSensors, and this is a screencast about our HS series atomic force microscopy height calibration standards. Atomic force microscopes are used for visualization of nanoscale objects, but also for quantitative three-dimensional measurements. For those measurements to be accurate, the AFMs must be properly calibrated. Our budget sensors HS standards are easy to use, affordable, robust and reliable samples for AFM calibration. The HS standards are 5mm silicon chips, which are offered either mounted on 12mm metal discs or unmounted, and they easily fit on any AFM sample holder. They feature durable silicon dioxide structures on a silicon substrate. Arrays of structures with different shapes are available. Square pillars and holes with 10 micrometer pitch, as well as lines, circular holes, and circular pillars with 5 micrometer pitch. These arrays are primarily designed for vertical AFM scanner calibration. However, they can also be used for lateral calibration of AFM scanners with large lateral range. The HS series currently consists of 3 models. These models have the exact same arrays of structures and differ only in their step height. The HS20, 100 and 500 mg have nominal steps in the range of 20, 100 and 500 nanometers respectively. The step height of each individual standard is measured and marked on its box label. Based on our manufacturing and measurement equipment, we guarantee 5% step height accuracy for the 20 nanometer standards and 3% accuracy for the 100 and 500 nanometer standards. We also guarantee 100 nanometer pitch accuracy for all 3 models. Please note that the roughness of the HS surface is not negligible relative to the total step height. Calibrating your AFM system based on a single profile line can lead to a large error. This is why we recommend that a profile is averaged over several micrometers for accurate calibration. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website or write us an email if you need further information.